Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to make the navbar sticky in Framer. So the first thing you need to do is just go ahead and select your navbar, or you can come here under layers and just locate it. And then once you select it, you should see type right here under position, and you can change this to sticky. Okay, and as you can see, it says that sticky will only work if all the apparent layers have overflow set to visible. Very easy to fix this. So you just select this one, so you get all the apparent layers. Okay, and scroll down here until you basically see overflow and change this from hidden to visible. Okay, and now your sticky should work. So as you can see, the navbar is set to type as sticky. Let's go ahead and preview this. So once I preview this, the navbar should basically stay when I'm scrolling down. So let's scroll down, and there you go. It sticks. And it's really that easy and simple.